प्रकृति ने भारत में रेगिस्तान सिर्फ राजस्थान को दिया है। इस रेगिस्तान की धड़कन है जैसलमेर। 28 जनवरी 2021 से स्पाइस जेट ने जैसलमेर के रूट पे हो रहे निरंतर घाटे के कारण अपनी हवाई सेवाएं बंद कर दी हैं। ये फैसला पूरे देश के टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत बड़ी हार है। इस नुकसान से बचने के लिए इतिहास में पहली बार जैसलमेर के निवासियों ने सिटीजन एयरलाइंस पार्टनरशिप का गठन किया है, जिसमें पूरी टूरिज्म कम्युनिटी एयरलाइंस को मिनिमम सीट गारंटी दे रही है और शहर का छोटे से बड़ा हर व्यापारी अपनी पूंजी से एक सामुदायिक फंड में योगदान दे रहा है।
I got a frantic phone call from one of my colleagues in Jaisalmer, and he said that the flights are going to stop soon. I got this call, I think on 18th and 19th of January. So I got in touch with some people, and we thought of making a representation to the government. So we went and met the governor. We wrote a lot of letters to every possible stakeholder in the tourism industry. I tried to get in touch with SpiceJet, and through Ms. Latika Modi, I was able to get to the top brass of SpiceJet. I understood the problem in great detail, and they were very, very transparent in sharing their costs of operations. So I made them a counter proposal that what if I could ensure that all your losses are covered, and if there was a guarantee the losses, then would you continue operations? Would you consider continuing operations? And they said sure. So then what I did was that I wrote a letter to the collector and said that can we get everyone who's involved in the tourism industry on one table. I presented this plan to the entire tourism fraternity, and we said that if each hotel, each association can guarantee a percentage of this potential loss, and we furnish a bank guarantee to SpiceJet so that they can continue operations, that would be a viable solution. And everyone agreed to that. We gave SpiceJet a bank guarantee under the Jaisalmer Vikas Parishad, Jaisalmer Vikas Samiti, which is headed by the collector. There weren't many problems. Yes, because this kind of an MOU did not have any precedence. Just to get the legal framework done was a bit of a challenge, but considering the complexity of this MOU, 1 week is literally no time for getting something executed like this.
Our part is now coming in to play. We are in the process of getting all the agencies to start creating their packages. Our agencies are independently owned and managed, so we have not gone and bought out a block of rooms, etc. What we've done is we've got the flights operating, so my team from my office is facilitating and trying to get the rates, etc. sorted out, so that the agencies can very quickly get packages and start sending it to the customers and enticing customers and telling them how safe it is and how they have worked together to actually bring tourism back. So it is important that we even communicate this to the clients as to how instrumental we were to make sure that they can travel.
This pilot is for a trial period of a month. I hope that this model itself, we will continue at least till the end of the season. And for the summers, there is going to be a different strategy. Maybe we'll reduce the number of flights and see how that goes.
ये पार्टनरशिप आपके सहयोग के बिना अधूरी है। कृपया जैसलमेर को प्रेफर्ड टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन बनाएं, स्पेशल टूरिस्ट पैकेजेस और डील्स में स्पाइस जेट की टिकट को शामिल करें और अधिक से अधिक पर्यटकों का जैसलमेर की तरफ रुझान करें। आइए हम सब इस सिटीजन एयरलाइंस पार्टनरशिप का हिस्सा बनकर दुनिया में आत्मनिर्भरता का एक नया उदाहरण रखें।